Hey y'all, so in my last video I showed you that I had gotten a bunch of coffee bags, burlap coffee bags for free, and you can get these at a coffee shop. Sometimes I'll sell them to you for $1 a piece. In my case I was given, I don't know, at least 25-30 of them for free, so I'm going to make use of those in the garden. I've already used some of them as a weed barrier, and over here I'm going to be planting potatoes in them. So let me show you how you roll the bag so that it becomes a container for your potatoes. So all you do is you take the bag and you just start rolling it over. I'll stand up and show you I'll show you me doing one standing up, but I'm kind of lazy today. I'm just going to do this one sitting down. You just roll the top and keep rolling until it's about like this. Just rolling the top down. There's nothing special about it. So then you take it just like this. You sit it down on the ground, and then I'm going to fill it with soil. I've already done these two. I rolled them down and filled them with soil. Just rolled this one down, and now I'm going to fill it with soil. Now that all three of them are filled with soil, I'm going to put my potatoes in. Ice cream man is coming. And you're going to cover them with about 3 inches of soil. And as they grow, they're going to get to about 6 inches tall, and then you're going to need to hill them up, which is to add more dirt. And as you do that, you unroll your burlap to get taller and taller. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of the potatoes in these other bags, and then get these covered with dirt. Alright, I have all 3 of them planted. The potatoes are covered. I'm going to water them real good, and then we'll wait for them to sprout. These bags will retain moisture. They also have good drainage, so your potatoes won't rot. This is a very economical way of growing potatoes. if I hadn't bought seed potatoes and all I had to buy was the soil, you know, then I would have had about $4 invested here. Because I didn't pay anything for the burlap sacks, the coffee bags. Alright, there you go. I will, of course, be doing follow-up videos on these to show you how they grow throughout the next 3 months. So stay tuned. It's how you grow potatoes in coffee bags. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.